All right, this is a public service announcement for anybody who writes biosketches, which is basically all of you. So I just got a Slack from one of my editors saying that she is still getting biosketches from clients of ours that include a section D. And that's the research support section that was phased out in 2021. So here is some free advice for you. Please take some time to update your biosketch so that it is in compliance with the new guidelines. All you have to do is Google NIH Biosketch guidelines and it lays it out for you. And I will even show you here. Here is a blank template. So your research support information, which used to be in section D, now needs to be in section A, your personal statement. They even have examples for you on the NIH website. So please make sure that you update this because NIH has the right to reject your biosketch if it is not in compliance with the new format. And you don't ever want to be dinged for something as simple as this. So make sure you update it, make sure you're in compliance. It's really, really easy.